but you know, the property easier.
Right, currently walking to 460 Bloor Street. We have an auction today, actually. The previous tenant is auctioning off his previous items. So if you're interested in purchasing any, you know, DM me or comment below and we can get that set up as well. But we also have a showing today too. So we're killing two birds with one stone.
Busy, just still running around, right?
Food has arrived. Wait.
We're off to a great start.
The key literally just fell under there. It fell from the lockbox and went boom, off, right down there. I mean, it's like filled with shit.
Okay, watch out.
I have to move stuff. Oh, sorry. Find the needle in a haystack. Okay, well, little detour of finding the key. We'll have to get someone to come clean all these leaves out after. Just shows a little bit better when it's not here. So let's take a tour. This is a little behind the scenes of what we're doing on this listing. It's currently listed $795,000. We got cleaners in last week, videographer, and it looks nice. Painters came in as well. Definitely shows a lot better than it did previously. So we got some content we want to do today. First one, I'm gonna get my drone. I'm gonna fly through the front, show the front of the house, fly through, and I'm gonna fly through the house with my goggles on. Perks of owning a drone and enjoying flying it is you get to do cool things for your clients. Anyway, we're just turning the lights on now. What else? How many videos are we planning to do? Like 5? A couple 5 videos. Just make sure you watch the channel to keep updated on everything. And if you want the full tour, there'll be a video 148 Winchester Road East in Brooklyn. There'll be a full video on it. I'm gonna turn this fan off, it's so loud. We have 2+1 bed, 3 baths. All right, this is the drone. What I see right now is what the drone sees. And it's fun to fly. Plus you can get some pretty cool shots. This is 148 Winchester Road East in Brooklyn. This is a gem of a house, listed under 800,000, detached home. Detached gainer? Should I do a gainer? You don't want to miss out on 148 Winchester. Massive 180 by 90 foot lot.